Today we are installing a gable vent. We'll be installing 2 vents, one on each gable end, so that's what we're doing today. First we have to measure the opening. So I'm just going to take the box it came in. Get a template. And that should be the size of the hole. That's where it's going, way up here. First I'm going to drill a hole in each corner and then just take the snips, follow that around and cut that out. Now we straighten up any loose edges and trim every little sharp edge and burr, and then we dry fit it and go from there. Dry fit is good. And some self-tappers. That ain't going anywhere. Now to go outside and seal the outside and then put the louver on. I'm going to put another screw on the outside here. Because it was right in the middle of this and I wasn't able to get a screw in on the inside, so I'll do that to the top also. And then I'll run a bead of caulk all the way along the outside. Seal the outside and then I'll put the louvers on. I'm also putting sealant on each screw that came through the metal. Every penetration through the metal, you'll want some kind of sealant. Now this may seem painfully obvious to some, but I have to mention it. The louvers face down, not up, or else the rain will get in. Thank you for watching. If I've earned it, please give me a like and subscribe for more projects. Thanks. Have a groovy.